So this is the famous Mathew Street where the Cavern Club is, and there's a Cavern pub there that you can see, but on the right is the Cavern Club where the Beatles first became famous and lots of other very famous acts played. So it's a very famous place. This is a very nice hotel, but it looks like it's actually closed. Just for guess. Called the Hard Day's Night, which is like a Beatles themed, but it's very, very classily done. I stayed in there, it is very nice. Well, Stefania, you're going to be sorry. I tell you what, all these videos I'm taking you, you're going to be moaning your bag off. You're going to be mad. There's loads. I wasn't filming a bum, by the way. That he stinks of piss. That's gross. So, Stefania, this is my little tour of Anfield for you, which one day you're going to come here and you're going to be wowed and amazed, and you'll think, why have I ever supported that Inter Milan rubbish? And then that'll be it. You'll be sucked in to the Liverpool way. So the tour starts here, and if you remember the Hillsborough disaster, where 96 people died, and that is the memorial with the in the middle. Now you can see the eternal flame. Around to the other side of the stadium. This is the older side of the stadium round here. Stadium next year is going to be redeveloped, so they're going to have, this is the Anfield Road end, and we're going to have, as you can see, that's looking quite old there, old fashioned. There's going to be another tier on top of there to take it to the same height as this one here, and that will take the capacity up to about 62,000. And then this here is going to develop into like a fan park for people to just sit out, eat and drink, and get pissed as all English do. And then further down, just on the right, you can see the famous Shankly Gates, named after Bill Shankly, who was the manager who basically brought Liverpool from the third division club into the top division and made them to something what they are today. So you may or may not have ever seen these before, but they're a very, very famous gate within football, very iconic. And if you see, there, as it says with the motto, "You'll never walk alone." It stands there called after Kenny Dalglish, another player you've probably never heard of. As you see, it says Bill Shankly Memorial Gates, 1982, when they were installed. And it says these gates were erected by Liverpool Football Club in memory of Bill Shankly, manager, 1959 to 1974, and officially opened by his wife Mersey on the 26th of August 1982. So I'm not sure if we can carry on getting around here. going round.